Hi there, and welcome to a Paybox Timers demonstration video. In today's video, we will be going over how to add time onto your timer, specifically the washer, but can also be done on the dryer. When you hit next setting, you are able to set your hours, your minutes, and the seconds on your timer. When you hit that again, you can set your coin type as Canadian loonie or Canadian toonie, free, American quarter, or metal tokens. For this demonstration, we will be doing Canadian loonie. As you can see, it says $1 for 20 minutes. Once you hit that, we are going to add 3 hours onto our time. And then you can press save. So now you have $1 for 3 hours and 20 minutes. Hope that helps.